Hi, this is Sharp Shaver for the Razor Company, and we're here to shave and chat. Okay, we're going to go in with Zingariman Highlander Soap and Splash and an unscented aftershave balm. The Razorock GOAT standard plate with the Tatra blade and a Simpson T3 synthetic brush. All right, let's get into it. I've had this blooming for a few minutes, and that's what I'm going to use for my pre-shave is bloom water. It smells good. All right. Now let's load the brush and get to shave or get to the lathering. It's been a while since I've used this brush. My son's had it at college, so it's been a while. So forgive me if I mess this up. Okay, that should be enough. I think the camera's kind of messed up a little bit. There we go. Got me some TRC swag. Got me a new shirt. Thank you, Jason. Even though I'm getting lather all over it, but hey. All right. Gonna load my razor up. And this is the first time using this blade. So here goes nothing. They are double wrapped. Let's put it in like so. Put the top cap on there, or put the base plate on there, and then bam, look at that. Okay, going to put a little bit more lather on there. Sorry, it's been the cottonwood trees here in Oklahoma have been letting off their, I guess you could say, cotton. Okay, first pass is with the green. This razor is great. Great razor. I'm due for a haircut, so hopefully this Saturday we'll be doing that. Gotta look all nice and pretty. There we go. All right, first pass down. Going to rinse, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. Sorry, I had some technical difficulties. My iPad started leaning down, so thought I'd better get that taken care of real quick. Like, going to the second pass. Pretty good blade. First time I ever used them. Got to get used to them. Not too shabby. Yeah, this brush has plenty of backbone. Okay, second pass, we're going across the grain. I don't know about everybody else, man, but this is my Zen moment. This is the time I have to myself to reflect on things. So, I like this time. Back when I used to 3D print, this is the time that I used to come up with my ideas. Because I look in the den, and if there's something I needed, I just did it. I just printed it. All right. Second pass is down, I'm gonna rinse, and then we'll get to the post shave, my favorite part. We'll be right back. All right, going to go in with the aftershave splash. And I think you can find most of these products at the razor company, even the t-shirt, of course. So, all right, am I going with the balm? All right, well that shave is done in the bags. So, anyways, check out my YouTube at Sharp Shaver. Stay sharp, stay shaving, and we'll see you on the next one.